In this video, I want to talk about maintaining your speed as you're exiting the highway. So we can see on this stretch of the highway, the posted speed limit is 80 kilometers an hour. And we're going to be taking the next off ramp here. And it's really important that we try to maintain the speed limit when going off the highway, and only start slowing down once all four wheels have left the highway. And so now, once all four wheels have left the highway, we can gradually reduce our speed to the appropriate speed. And here they're recommending 50 kilometers an hour for the exit ramp. So we're gradually bringing our speed down depending on how long this exit lane is. We can take longer to slow down. But the takeaway here is you don't want to unnecessarily slow down here on the highway, because it's not fair to the car behind you, and more than that, it's unpredictable to the car behind you, and you're not keeping up with the flow of traffic up to the speed limit. So whenever possible, we want to keep up with the flow of traffic, of course maintaining a safe following distance. So again, here the posted speed limit is 80, but if there's congestion in front of you, and say the traffic was flowing at 60 kilometers an hour, and you've got a safe following distance, that safe following distance takes precedence over the speed limit. So I'm not saying just blindly go at 80 at all times, but notice we've got a nice big space cushion here. And when we're coming off the highway, we're maintaining the speed that we're at right now until we drift into this lane. Once we've come off the highway, now we can use this area to gradually bring our speed down. Now, notice when we exited the highway as well, right? As soon as this perforation started, we started drifting over. So we didn't wait till the lane is wide enough for all of our car to fit in. No, we started putting two of our wheels into this lane pretty much as soon as possible. So prior to exit, of course, we need to signal to the right, check our rear view mirror, check our right side mirror, shoulder check to the right to make sure no one's being silly and coming into the shoulder. Sometimes you'll see motorcyclists try to exit beforehand, so this is why we still need to do a blind spot check. And then again, drifting over more or less at the beginning of this lane, and then using the off ramp to start our slowdown process. Now, if this was a short off ramp, we would slow down a little bit quicker. If it was a long off ramp, like in this case, we're taking a bit longer to slow down. And that's the other thing, is you don't want to get off the highway and then suddenly slow down to 50 or suddenly slow down to 30, because there might be a car behind you also exiting with you, and again, you don't want to be abrupt. So long story short, you never want to suddenly slow down or suddenly brake. You want to maintain a predictable speed. On the highway, it's the speed limit whenever conditions allow, and when you exit off the highway, use your judgment. If this is a long exit lane, take a bit longer to slow down. If it's a short exit lane, slow down, but make sure it's not too abrupt for the car behind you.